In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Wi-Fi password. So first, open up a web browser. Once you've opened a new browser, go to the URL bar at the top and type in 192.168.1.1. Click enter and it will take you to your internet provider or your router login. The chances are you've probably got a router from your internet provider. Now what we need to do is log in. Now there are going to be a default login username and password. It's probably going to be on your router. In most cases, it will be just admin. Another way that you can find it, if you don't know it, it's not in your router or the manual, is you can just search for your router name and then it's going to tell you the default login. So if I search AIS router default password, we can see the username is admin and the password is AIS admin. Once I've typed that and logged in, we are now in the back end of our router. Now this will look different depending on what router you're using or what internet service provider you have. Now what you need to do, you need to find the wireless section. So for me, if I scroll down, you can see here that I have my networks and we can go ahead and click on change. That will then take me into the local network section and you want to find SSID configuration or something along those lines. It's going to be different depending on what router you're on. As you can see here, the two connections I currently have are this internet connection here and then this 5G one here. Under the internet connection, we have the passphrase. What we can do is we can go ahead and remove it and we can then type another password. You can then see the password and apply the changes in the back end here. Now, perhaps you can't find where in your router, but just look for local network or wireless network, and it should be in the WLAN area. And here you can just find the SSID configuration.